this is. Oh, you guys are gonna like this. Whoa, this is awesome. This is a 2-in-1 smart AI bird feeder, a security camera, bird feeder and security camera. Wow, so you can watch the birds come and feed. Let's open this up, see what this looks like in here. 5 megapixel security camera. Okay, let's see, we got, this looks like the feeding tray maybe. What this is going to be. Oh, it's don't tell me, it even comes with a solar panel too to keep it charged. Wow, that's pretty cool. And there's the instructions. That's important to have is the instructions. I'll have to look at the instructions, how to put this together. What all's in here? Man, there's all types of stuff in here. There's all types of stuff. Instructions. Cage things. Man, look at all this stuff in here. Stands. Oh, look at that. Bring us hummingbirds in there. There, hummingbirds like that type of stuff there. Mounts. All your screws. Strap it on the tree if you want. What else is in here? What else is in here? Let's see. And there's the birdhouse itself. Sweet. That's awesome. Okay, if you've got the manual, this QR code here will give you all the installation, how to put it all together. And then this QR code here will actually give you the app that you need. So I've got it all installed now. What I got to do now is go to the store and get me some bird seed. And then I'll put it in there and then I'll show you kind of what it looks like as the birds are coming in. It's kind of cool looking though. Okay, I got all the pieces laid out here. And now this here's going to be for the hummingbird feeder. So I'll have to put some sugar water in that. I'm going to set those aside. I'm going to set the strap aside. Okay, this is really easy to put together actually. Now this one here you'd use if you probably want to fill this full of water. I'm not going to fill this full of water, so I'm going to set this one aside. I'm going to use this one here. So this here just clips right into there, right there, like so. And then this piece here will go right there. Right there. Your antenna, of course, will go onto the back. That'll just screw right onto there. I've got the solar panel. I put the solar panel already outside. I mounted it. That's going to plug in right here. And then you got to plug it in. Power there. Like so. Okay. This here will be like, I'm going to put this right here. This will be like maybe if you want to put on maybe like a lemon wedge or an orange slice or something, you put it right here. And of course this here will be for the hummingbird feeder. So now what I got to do is fill this full of seeds. And but it goes together really easy, really simple. It goes together just like that there. Simple to put together. You put it outside, and then you'll can adjust the camera to every which angle you want. So I'll go do all of that. So let me go mount this now. There it is right there. I put the solar right there. A sack of birdseed here. Okay, I put birdseed in there. I put some hummingbird water. This is just sugar water in here. So let the action now begin. I put it right underneath this tree right here. And there is the camera view from looking at it from the app right there. So when a bird comes and lands on it, I'll be able to see it. It's going to take a while for, I guess, for the birds to get used to it being there. But once they know it's there, they'll be coming in. You know, I'll tell you what, this here is pretty awesome. I think the grandkids are sure going to love checking this here out. Hey, I'll leave you the link down below, so go check them out.